With the sour or a tart jam, it makes the sweetness of the cookie stand out and it tastes even better. Welcome or welcome back to our simple home. For the cookie base recipe, I divide one egg. The egg white I put in a small tall container, and the egg yolk I put in my mixing bowl. I add 20 grams of icing sugar, 90 grams of soft butter, 150 grams of all-purpose flour, 1 teaspoon of almond flavor extract. I combine all the ingredients to a nice dough, then I transfer the dough onto a wrapping foil and place it in there, make it flat, and then put it in the fridge for about half an hour. After the half an hour, I preheat the oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. I spread a little bit of flour onto my work surface. Then I take the dough out of the fridge, unwrap it, and roll it out with my rolling pin and add some flour when needed. My dough is about 3 millimeters thick, and the glass I use to cut out the cookies is about 5 centimeters. Once I cut out all the cookies, I place them onto my prepared baking sheet. Once I'm done, I spread some more flour onto my working surface and roll the dough out and start over again, cutting out the cookies. I got 2 baking sheets full, so it's about 40 cookies. I placed the cookies into my preheated oven and baked them for about 5 to 7 minutes. Just pre-bake them a little bit. Then I reduced the heat to 300 degrees Fahrenheit. For the meringue ring, I need 110 grams of icing sugar, 1 teaspoon of almond flavoring extract, and 2 egg whites. I had 1 from the dough and I add 1 egg white to it. A pinch of salt, and then I whip up the egg white to a really stiff consistency. Once it's stiff enough so I can turn it over and it's not plopping out, I add very slow, 1 tablespoon at a time, the icing sugar. It takes me about 10 minutes to add all the icing sugar to it. Once I'm done, I check if it's stiff enough, and I still can turn it over, it's not plopping out. For the meringue ring, I just use a plastic zip bag, but you can also use a piping bag if you prefer, or if you have it on hand. I fold the corner of the plastic bag twice and then just cut a tiny bit off. I slant it so it has a tip, and then when I open it, it is a little zigzag there. I place my plastic bag over a glass that fits, and then I spoon over the meringue into the plastic bag. Once I'm done, I zip up the plastic bag, and then I make the rings onto the pre-baked cookies. I made it very simple, but you can make it fancier if you prefer. If you enjoyed my video so far, please like this video, subscribe if you haven't subscribed, and share my videos with others. That means a lot to me. Thank you. Once I'm done, I place the cookies into my 300 degrees Fahrenheit preheated oven and bake them for about 30 minutes. I let my cookies cool off completely. Then I warmed up about 120 grams of jam. I used Yoshta berry jam, but you can use currant jam or black or red raspberry or blackberry jam, something a little sour, I would say, or I prefer it that way. Once I filled all the cookies, I let the jam set a little bit, and then I could try a cookie. The cookies are nice and sweet with a sour touch from the jam. I love it. The almond flavoring gives a nice marzipan taste. That's what I really enjoy on those cookies. Thank you for watching.